Good morning, dear students. How are you all? So, please stay at home and be safe. As you know, that the whole world just fight against this COVID-19 coronavirus, which really a pandemic situation nowadays. No need to come out from your house without any purpose. So, dear student, today I will take the topic a triumph of surgery. That is your first lesson of supplementary book, which is written by James Herriot. Here you see that three main characters: James Herriot, who is the veterinary surgeon, Mrs. Pumphrey, and her pet dog named Tricky. So these two people, and that the pet dog named Tricky are the main character of this chapter. So first of all, you see that why this chapter given this name, a triumph of surgery. Triumph, victory. Now here you see that in this chapter, Mrs. Pumphrey, who was a rich and emotional lady and very much caring also towards her pet, who has a cute pet named Tricky. Actually, she loved him, adored him so much that she overfed him. Tricky had put on a lot of weight, which made him lethargic. Lethargic means lazy. So it became lazy. When Dr. Herriot one day saw the fat dog like a bloated sausage, he was shocked. Bloated sausage means, bloated means होता है as if swollen, means सूजा हुआ जैसा, and sausage means होता है a thin tube like casing, a hollow tube you can say. So here when Dr. Herriot saw the fat dog, he was shocked. He made a plan and told Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky needed treatment for a ailment, which was possible only in hospital. The doctor knew that Mrs. Pumphrey would not be able to keep the dog on a proper diet. Actually, the narrator of the story is Mr. Herriot himself, and you know that he was a veterinary surgeon. He was actually really worried about the dog, whose name was Tricky, and he was shocked to see it with its mistress. Who is the mistress of Tricky? Mrs. Pumphrey. And it had become hugely fat. Tricky's eyes had become red, and its tongue came out from its jaws. It was in a state of disease, because the mistress of the dog, who was Mrs. Pumphrey, told Mr. Herriot that the dog seemed to have no energy, So she gave it more malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks. So you see that how much food she has given to Tricky. And she also gave it some cream cakes and chocolates despite Harriet's refusal. So it was really a very rich diet. When the greedy dog went to the hospital, he had to remain hungry if he was slow to approach for food. He was given food at fixed intervals. Soon he shed off a lot of his body weight and became quite active. When Tricky was at home, he was pampered by Mrs. Pumphrey. He had a luxurious life when he was served with cream cake, chocolate, Malta and Horlicks. But when he came to the doctor, he became all right. When Mrs. Pumphrey saw her active dog, she thanked the doctor and felt that it was a triumph of surgery. It was really a victory of surgery. So here is the character Mrs. Pumphrey, who is the owner of that dog or mistress of the dog. She was really a very rich woman. She loved her dog too much. She gave him some little extras between meals to build him up. Malt, cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night. She gave him lot to eat but no exercise. Once he became ill and she was worried and made a frantic call to Harriet, who was a veterinary surgeon. James already gave suggestion regarding Tricky's balanced diet, but she never followed it. Mrs. Pumphrey never followed whatever told or whatever the suggestion given by James Harriet. And James Harriet was a veterinary doctor here. He was a veterinary doctor and he was shocked to see hugely fat dog, and he just said to it with that it just looked like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. He already advised to Mrs. Pumphrey that to cut down on the sweet things. Is no need to give the dog these sweet things. He expected call came within a few days and it was happened. He was called by Mrs. Pumphrey as Tricky refused to eat. He told her that Tricky needed immediate hospitalization for keeping under observation at his surgery a fortnight. There he gave him no food, no medicine, but plenty of water. Gradually he mixed with other dogs also and started playing with him. He had a lot of exercises and fun at the surgery. So my dear students, the rest of the part I will explain tomorrow. So till that you will have to read the remaining part of the chapter. Goodbye.